뭐하냐? Come on!
What?
Told you guys backstage that I had a little surprise for you.
Oh,
And
okay.
I've been talking to your Ahgase, around the world because
Tinder?
I wanted you guys. What?
What? Nothing.
Yeah. Because I think, you know, I really felt the messages from this album, and I think you guys are helping so many people with these messages, with these thoughts, with these things you're sharing. And so I wanted to just take a moment to ask the fans if they could share a message to you guys.
Oh,
and
all right.
I had amazing messages from around the world. But first up, we're going to have a message from RV.
Hi, I'm RV.
Oh, hello.
How has GOT7
Are we live?
made an impact on
Is this
fans?
FaceTime?
That's not live.
As for me, I grew up being insecure to myself in many ways, especially in my class standing. But then I met GOT7. GOT7 happened. They comforted me through their music and with their life stories. They inspired me not to give in to these insecurities. And with that, I can say that I made it. GOT7 made it.
Wow.
Dude.
So awesome.
Dude. She's doing so much better than us.
Wow, so awesome.
What kind of
This-
medals were those?
Yo,
Those
she's
are
flexing
academic
out there,
medals, I
okay?
think. And
Oh.
so many fans, especially younger fans, were talking about, you know, insecurities in schools and
Yeah.
and so many fans. They also said how just, you know, the messages you guys are bringing them, you know, you guys are giving them encouragement, giving them hope, making them want to work harder in what they do. And I thought that was a really good representation of someone
Yeah.
who literally had the physical manifestation of what to show for them. And I wanted to share that video with you guys.
Wow.
That was nice. That was nice. Thank you. Yeah.
우리보다 잘 됐어.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.